starting with lathe and okay. Documents. In this session is a DD based video lecture. That is already we are informed in the theory section about the lathe. Now practically I see what are the different parts of the lathe. About different components of it, how it operates. The DD based video subject. As the first thing was the empathy and another one. Next one. Ideate. Prototype. Testing. Empathy, define, ideate, prototype, and testing. So this is the lathe. We have to different types of what. First thing you see about lathe. Define is how to study the lathe. First thing you studied about the lathe about in the phase of research. Only the drawing is. Now we are studying about the practical. This is defined process. And next was the idea. All these models we have to do some models here. This is idea itself. And finally we do the testing set. We do some practical work on this one on the lathe set, and we finalize it whether it comes with the outcomes of right or wrong. Okay, in this lathe, this is what the bed is there. Mostly lathe will be designed where lathe will be identified to its specific length of it. Length will be on the bed length will be informed for you. It will be informed 7 feet length or 10 feet length or 6 feet length. This is 5 feet length. And it has a headstock. This headstock is loaded with the free-jaw chuck. And we having the free-jaw chuck will be the free-jaw chuck will be located by the chuck key itself. We are loosening or tightening all the free-jaw will be simultaneously closing and holding the workpiece. Can you able to continue here?
This one is turning tool, sir.
Tool post I am turning tool.
This one is front forward and reverse.
That is to reduce the diameter and to reduce the length to reduce the diameter of facing, and to reduce the diameter of the turning operation. This is a whole carriage. Carriage is moved by rotation surface process. And here is the one. And what is this one? Yes, Ramesh.
Large
tailstock.
So large
If you are having a length of component, the component will be fixed with the headstock, and the others will be located with the tailstock supporting the top.
And this is for forward and the backward, and using for oil. The maintenance is very important, sir. Since our maintenance is very important.
Many others. Come on.
During these machines which fill off run off in motor way, sir. This is the main part of related to automobile sectors and the mechanical sector also. And then this is the output giving this adjusting this what are the shapes of welding, what are the thread also here can manufacturing. That's not easy to mechanical part.
How thread cutting is possible here?
Yeah, thread lighting is it's used to cutting this blade to here draw is using for that.
You will be having thread cutting tool here, and it will be engaged with the this spiral rod here. Okay. You will be attached to it. So as far as this, it will be moving forward to have thread cutting. This is knurling tool.
Okay.
This is knurling tool. And what is the purpose of knurling tool? What is the purpose of knurling tool? To have a knurling surface such that while turning any part, for example, say in the watch key, the watch has a key in there. The key is made for knurling. For the grip part.
Like this.
Right, so. To handling it, like this one. You can see the grip here. This is the knurling tool has made the grip itself here. And this is the taper turning. For taper turning, there are 3 attachments we can here. Either we can swell the tool post to certain degrees, and the degrees will be measured here. Here should be degrees will be measured. So turning is what you are moving the part, it will be moving from lower side to higher side. This is the taper turning attachment. And another the separate taper turning attachment is there. Instead of the tailstock located, the pad surface, the angle surface and pad surface, it will be shifted to the other surface also. So lifting by the tailstock, lifting the other side, and it can proceed such that the tailstock will be holding a part in a sliding manner. Okay, with this we have done a reading video on the lathe resistance. And thank you for the session.